Hi, Brooke.
Hi, Mauro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, you wrote in for some help with exterior paint?
Yeah, I have a project. It's right around the side of the house. Should we go take a look?
Let's take a look.
All right, so this is our bulkhead. As you can see, it's pretty faded and a little unsightly, and we spent a lot of time in the yard.
Yeah.
So I was hoping to spruce it up a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't need to be replaced, but what do you think?
Well, I don't think you need to replace this door. I think we can make this look really good, but I can see some rust spot here, some here, a large one here and there, and a little bit here. But in general, it looks pretty solid.
Okay.
All right. But we got to do some prep work here, taking care of this rust spot, and we'll be ready to prep and paint.
Okay,
right?
sounds good.
But I'm also curious to see how the inside looks like on those doors. Well, look at this. This is in much better shape than the outside, and you still can see the original color brown, but needs to be cleaned up.
Okay, that's good to know.
Question for you, what color do you have in mind for this bulkhead door?
So I was thinking black because our house is black and white, but what do you recommend?
Because we have a different shades of green in this backyard here, it's beautiful.
Yep.
And I would not go black because you have enough black already around the house. I would go on a darker color, with the very much undertones of green.
Okay.
Okay. If you look from a distance out there, it's gonna look. You're gonna read it as a black, but when you get closer, you'll see the undertone of green, which will fit pretty good with what you have back here.
Yeah, I love that idea.
All right. So we're gonna get some stuff, you and I, and we go to work.
All right, let's do it.
First step, what we're gonna do with this orange tape here, we're gonna be working on this surface, so I don't wanna put any paint onto the vinyl. I got this. I'm gonna measure right here.
All right.
All right.
How's that look?
That looks pretty sharp. Just press the tape. Just run your finger like this.
Okay.
Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna fold that
it up.
back to the front, just like that. Now, I'm gonna do this side, and I want you to do it the same way as you did here.
Okay.
On the side there, press it down. Make sure that paint won't leak underneath the tape. All right. Now, here's what we're gonna do. You got this tape, and we got the plastic right here, right on top of the orange tape. Yeah. So this is a good way to protect. Now you want to fold it back down. Keep opening it up. Oop. Now carefully, you're gonna do like this.
Okay.
Okay. Tap it down. All right, let's do the same thing on that side.
Okay.
Go all the way down.
Okay.
Press the tape against the orange tape.
Okay.
All right. Keep going. All right, I'm gonna take care on this side over here.
Okay.
This all makes part of the preparation. We cover the siding because you're not painting the siding. The ground should be protected too.
Okay.
All right, try to get right under the tape. Yep, right there. Okay, let's gear up and we're gonna start the sanding.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
It's called sanding block. This 220 grit. So that's how you go all the way down. You don't have to sand down to bare metal, just enough to remove any peeling paint or rust. If you didn't do this, any loose paint will eventually flake off, taking the new paint with it.
So should I do a little bit more on spots like this?
Yes, you see like a little rough spot? We need to smooth that out. Just press it down a little bit and make sure that's nice and smooth. You can feel it.
Okay.
All right?
Yep.
It is important to clean the dust from sanding before we paint, or the paint won't adhere properly. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. This is a metal primer.
Okay. So are we just spraying the rust spots?
Correct. And that will also help to prolong the life of this paint job.
Okay. Sounds
Right?
good.
Great. That looks good. Well, what do you think so far, Brooke?
It's looking better.
Well, you did a great job with the primer. It's dry and lightly sand. Now it's time for paint. The color we are using here is called Black Forest Green.
So is this a special type of paint?
Yes, this is what we call DTM, which stands direct metal.
Okay.
DTM paint will hold up well in the elements. It will protect against rust and corrosions, better than regular paint. That looks very good. Nice and even. Beautiful. Now our first coat is dry. It's time to apply the final and second coat. Here we go. Brooks, what do you think?
I think it looks so much better.
Looks better. What about the color?
I love it. I think it blends in really well.
Oh, it came out really nice. So most important thing, keep this door as clean as possible.
Okay.
And then if you see any spot that you need to take care of, just lightly sand, touch up with the paint, and you should be good to go.
All right, sounds easy enough.
I love this color, I love the door. I love the way it turned out, so now we got a brand new door.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for having me here.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.